Hey Fools, Brian Hinman here, analyst with Motley Fool Pro and Motley Fool Options. I'm here to take part in our Ask a Fool series. Right now, Patrick is asking a question on Facebook. Patrick asks, what is the easiest way to start investing with options and some of the more advanced methods like that? Well, I'm happy to answer your question, Patrick. First of all, investing in stocks and investing in options are very similar. To make money investing in stocks, you buy a stock, right? It increases in value, you make money. If you buy a call option and that underlying stock increases in price, your call option also increases in value. So lesson one is that they're very similar. But there are some key differences between buying stocks and buying options. So let's walk through a few of those. The first difference is that buying options is a heck of a lot cheaper than buying stocks. But why is that? Well, an option is just a contract, reference to that underlying stock. It has a defined life. It's just really a contract between two parties. But if you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of a business. You get to vote at the annual meeting. You get a small piece of the company's cash flows for the rest of its life. The second difference is that if you buy an option and your thesis doesn't work out for you, you could lose your entire investment. But if you buy a stock and it doesn't work out, chances are the stock just declines in value. You don't lose all the money you put in. So that's a pretty big difference. Let's look at a quick example. Say you wanted to buy either 100 shares of Apple stock or buy one call option on Apple. Well, at $500 a share, buying 100 shares would cost you about $50,000. If you wanted to buy just one contract on Apple shares, it would cost you about $800. But remember, it's all about trade-offs here. If Apple's stock doesn't increase in value over the next 2 years, you'll lose that entire $800. If you own the stock, however, and Apple's price doesn't increase in value, you'll still own the shares of a very good business. So there are clear differences between buying stock and buying options, but they're also very similar. Great question, Patrick. Thank you for asking. For more information like this, check us out on Fool.com.
People on the show may have interest in the stocks they talk about, and the Motley Fool may have formal recommendations for or against. Don't buy or sell stocks based solely on what you hear.